Hey guys, I'm really excited to show you a lookbook series. This series is designed to teach you how we filmed. If you're into fashion, if you're into clothes, if you're into modeling, you're gonna wanna check out what we've been working on. So without further ado, let's roll on this lookbook series brought to you by Filmora.
Got my head in the clouds, I'm going on to make my way home again. What do you do when luck loses you? Give it up or keep on trying. Take me with you. Take me with you. Take me with you. Take me. So damn long, so when you go, oh, take me with you. Take me with you. Take me I've been hanging on for so damn long, so when you go, oh, take me to.
Bam! I'm really excited about that a lot. And we're gonna teach you so many things in this upcoming series. Everything from how we filmed with using sliders and how to light with natural lighting. We're gonna talk about establishing clips, what you're shooting, where it transitions, why you're shooting it. And then we take you into post, where we're editing. And we're gonna talk about speed ramping and slow motion, using split screen and montages and how to put those together. And then also ending with some text. So stay tuned for all that. Subscribe below. You don't want to miss what we're doing. You're watching Filmora Time with Jeff. My name's Jeff.